Overnight, three medium-intensity explosions rocked a bridge in Manipur's Kangpokpi district, causing damage. The blasts occurred close to Saparmena along National Highway 2, linking Imphal to Dimapur in Nagaland. This incident unfolded just 2 days prior to the second phase of Lok Sabha elections, scheduled to take place in certain areas of outer Manipur. According to a security official, the event transpired around 1:15 am near Saparmena in Kangpokpi district. As of now, no group has claimed responsibility for the attack and investigations are actively underway, stated the officials. Security forces have cordoned off the site and surrounding areas, conducting thorough checks at nearby bridges. This has led to restrictions on heavy traffic, causing inconvenience for commuters in the region, according to India Today Northeast. During the initial phase of polling on April 19, instances of violence were documented in various parts of Manipur. Miscreants reportedly opened fire at a polling booth, sparking panic and disruptions. Additionally, there were reports of damaged electronic voting machines and allegations of coercion and intimidation in certain areas. After the conclusion of the initial phase of the Lok Sabha elections, Manipur's Chief Electoral Officer Ramananda Nongmikapam announced repolling at 11 polling stations within the Inner Manipur Lok Sabha constituency scheduled for April 22. These stations include Moirang Kampu Sajeb Upper Primary School and S. Ibobi Primary School in the Khurai Assembly constituency, 4 in Kshetrigao, 1 in Thongju, 3 in Uripok and 1 in Konthujam. Additionally, in Imphal East, an elderly man sustained injuries when assailants shot at him. On Monday evening, clash broke out between village volunteers representing two conflicting communities in Manipur's Imphal West district, which has a history of ethnic tensions. The police reported no casualties so far, but both the sides have engaged in gun battles using sophisticated firearms.
Subscribe to One India channel and never miss an update.